That's how you get them out.
No, it's a punch.
The last time he slept on my
Oh.
everything away.
It's on YouTube.
Jen!
Kyle, can you just finish rubbing and not push it?
But you gotta push it out.
Why, Jen?
What are you guys talking about?
Could you just finish rubbing and not push it? That's all she says.
That's what I walked in on.
You use like this or something?
Rub it, push it.
Okay.
Just don't push it.
All I have to say is you guys would be much more happier if you didn't hide from me than if you hid from me.
Really?
I'm not hiding. I know I look like crap. I'm scared.
I'm not hiding from me.
It's all good.
And your tie-dye shirt. Come on now.
That doesn't work.
Yeah, no
I didn't
doubt.
see that one.
Your Okaboji shirt.
Over YouTube.
That's hot.
That's great.
You're not really putting this on YouTube, are you?
She is.
Yeah.
No.
Kyle, that was so good.
No, what I would have put on YouTube was you screaming Mariah Carey at the window doing a booty dance. That would have been YouTube
You
worthy.
did not put that out. You didn't tape that.
I didn't have a
Oh,
camera.
thank God.
Retake of it. Go
Oh,
ahead.
I
I'm
thought we were
not
gonna have a
doing that.
discussion on
See, you're getting it
relationships
right
and
there.
put that on YouTube.